You know how you can compare two tables using conditional formatting. So with me here, I have one table with the list of presidents, the country, and the starting year. I also have another list here containing the same information. And what I want to know is the presidents that are in this table and missing out on this table, or the ones that are in this table and missing out on the other table here. So to do that, we need conditional formatting. So open your Microsoft Excel, highlight the first table. So this is my first table. I'm going to highlight. Then hold on Control, highlight the second table, and then go to conditional formatting. Highlight cells, and you check for duplicates. So the duplicate values are going to be filled with light red. You can change this color to whatever color that you want, but okay, let me have maybe green fill. So these are the duplicates. So anything else that is not highlighted with the light green, it means it is not a duplicate. That means these list of presidents here are not available in this table. The same to this. These list of presidents here are not available in this table. So that is how we use conditional formatting to compare two tables.